Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to focus on percent change problems that came from the 7th grade STAR test. So the first one says the price of a sweater was reduced from $20 to $12. So it's from 20, meaning that's its starting point or the original value. So start or the original. Now the new is 12 or the ending value. Okay, so this is where you ended up with. So if you started with 20, that would be considered your original. So I always say change over original, and this means percent change. So if you notice, all the answer choices are percent, so that's meaning you're finding the percent. Now, we don't know what the percent is, but we do know that percent is the only thing that can go on the right side of your proportion. So we know percent is out of 100. When you think about your phone battery, it stops charging at 100% because percent is out of 100. Now, I didn't put a percent symbol next to 20 because the percent side is on the right side. It doesn't matter if it's on the left or the right. Now, you started from 20 and you're going to 12. So you can tell 20 minus 12 is 8. So they're trying to trick you. So you already know that A is out of the option, is not an option. So now you're down to B, C, and D. Now the difference between 20 and 12 is 8, and STAR expects you to just subtract it, which comes with the 8. Now they're also expecting you to write 12. That is the biggest misconception kids do. You didn't go from 20 to 12 by subtracting 12, you subtracted 8. Now the question is, do you want to go ahead and start solving now? It's a direct proportion. And what I mean by that is 20 goes into 100 5 times, so you scale it by 5. If you scale the bottom number by 5, you're going to scale the top number by 5, which is 40%. Okay, and I always tell kids that STAR people know that you're going to use 12, and so they're going to use 12 as an answer choice. So let's just test my theory and let's see if it works. We already know that scaling it by 5, because 20 times 5 is 100, and then this is 60. And look where the answer choice is. C. They know you're going to make that mistake, so they purposely put that there. Okay, for time's sake, let's go to another STAR release problem. Okay, price of a video was reduced from, so your from is your original amount. And so think about it. Change, that means when you think about it in real life, if you get change, you're subtracting. So we're going to subtract, and we know it's 15 is the difference. So my change is over the original amount. And the original amount is 60, but the change is 15. Percent's going on the right. Now it's not direct. And what I mean by that, 60 doesn't go into 100 easily. There is another way you can do it. You can go from 60 to 15. How many 15s go into 60? 4. So you're going to scale down by 4, and you'll scale down the right side by 4, or 1/4. And 100 divided by 4 is 25, and there's your answer choice, G. The biggest thing is you have to remember to subtract. Your from is where you're starting from. What did it start with? That's your original amount. And the new amount you have to subtract. So it's really old minus new, original minus ending up. I don't know. Whatever words you want to use. I always say the original and new. Maybe ending price makes a better sense to kids. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.